In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to make a bank deposit efficiently. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your transactions. So let's begin. First, open up your browser and head on over to QuickBooks. You'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, locate the New button. It's usually prominently displayed across the top of the page. Clicking on New is an essential step, as it will allow you to access various transaction options. For today, we're focusing on bank deposits. After clicking New, a drop-down menu appears. Look for and select Bank Deposit. Now, this is where the meat of the process begins. You'll be taken to the bank deposit screen where you'll need to enter a series of details to ensure your records are accurate. Let's proceed with the first selection, clicking on Account. This is where you specify which bank account you're depositing funds into. Make sure you choose the correct account to avoid any mix-ups in your records. Next, navigate to the Date field. Clicking on this section allows you to choose the date of the deposit. It sounds simple, but keeping accurate records date-wise is crucial for your bookkeeping process, and it saves you a lot of trouble in the long run. Moving on to the Received From column, you'll need to indicate who the money is coming from. This could be a customer, a client, or another entity. Filling out this section ensures that all incoming money is accurately tracked back to its source, which is particularly useful for future reference. Now also look for the following account column. This part may seem similar to the first account entry, but here you should specify which account within QuickBooks the deposit relates to, like income or sales. Don't forget to fill in the description field. Here you can add any specific or additional details about the transaction. Remember, keeping your descriptions clear and detailed helps minimize confusion down the line. After that, click on Payment Method to indicate how the money was received, whether it's via check, cash, or another form. Make sure this matches how the payment was originally made to keep everything consistent. Following that, you'll notice the Memo field. It may be tempting to skip it, but a brief note here summarizes the transaction for anyone else reviewing the accounts. Lastly, QuickBooks gives you an option to add attachments. Draw on this feature if you have documents, receipts, or any supplementary records related to the deposit. It's an excellent way to ensure that your digital records always have documentation to back them up. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to making a bank deposit in QuickBooks. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks.